Welcome guys, today in this video gonna to show you how to create a desktop shortcut to web page. So guys, if you want to create a desktop shortcut to a web page, so very easy. If you went to this page, so click three dot. After click on more tools, after click on create a shortcut, click on create. That is. If you went to this page, so click three dot, click on more tools, click on create shortcut, click on create. That is. If you went to this page, click on three dot, click on more tools, click on create shortcut, click on create. That is. If you want to open, so click this. That is. When to this page open. That is. So guys, this is very simple and easy method if you want to create a desktop shortcut to web page. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel for latest update.